Oh shit, it's cold out here. Well, hello. Woo! I'm doing a quick video. So how everybody doing? Oh, this is for all you Door Dashers, you Grub Hubbers, anybody who doing any type of food delivery with these apps out here. This is the first time I had ever experienced this today. I had put in a large, I would say, a nice order, okay, a nice order, and it was with the Cheesecake Factory, and it was a little pricey, and that was a treat to myself. That was a true treat to myself. So, to all you Door Dashers, Grubhubbers, Uber Eats, I don't care who you are out here, y'all some low down, dirty food delivery people out here. Y'all dirty and y'all low down. A lot of you out here don't need to be out here be doing this type of work. If you're going to go out here and you're going to be picking up food from a restaurant and then you're going to be delivering to the customers out here, it'll give you the God-given right to sit there and steal their food. It don't. You just don't get into these little app jobs out here and somebody place big orders or order food for whatever restaurant. I don't care if it's the cheapest restaurant to the most exquisite, expensive restaurant there is out here. You just don't up and just take somebody's food because you think it's free game or you feel that you're entitled to it. And especially when people are paying good tips for the food that they order through these apps. Today, I had my food stolen from me for the very first time from DoorDash, and it was through Cheesecake Factory. I had ordered me a vegan Cobb salad, a shrimp dinner, no, not shrimp dinner, but a salmon dinner that came with mashed potatoes and some asparagus, and two orders of spinach. Now, today, I waited for this, and I was looking forward to this for lunchtime. I'm at work when all this occurred. I was at work. Now, here it is. After I done did what I need to do at work, past meals or whatever, downtime a little bit, order me some food, and then here it is. I'm sitting up here, I'm watching the app. You know, restaurant accepted, process, restaurant accepted, they preparing, then you see that the driver has arrived to the restaurant, and then when they're ready to leave, then you see that person on their way. Oh, the person was on their way, all right. That was one of the quickest deliveries I had ever seen since I've been ordering from DoorDash or either Grubhub. The quickest. You're coming from Liberty Township to where I am. That's not no 5-10 minute drive. No, it isn't. Now I go downstairs to the lobby area. It says delivered. That was too quick. Ain't no way in the world. Unless you got one of them cars from Fast and Furious, or one of them movies that had those damn fast cars. You got a Batmobile or something, or you coming from a jet. But there was no way in hell that you deliver my food to me. So I had asked the person, did anybody come with a bag? A Cheesecake Factory bag. This bag right here. This bag. That bag. Nobody didn't show up. Maybe they thought somebody, nope, nobody didn't show up to food. I called this person. Where's my food at? Where? Oh, I delivered your food to you. You got it. No, I don't have it. Where's my food? You didn't even come to the nursing home. Where's my food at? No, I delivered your food. You got your food. Oh, I do have my food, huh? Really? Where's the bag at? All that food I ordered. That I treated myself to. that you help yourself to. Came to a grand total of $80 some. Plus, you got a $25 tip. And you still want to say, I received my food? I screenshot your name and everything. I don't know what gives y'all the right to sit up here, go around here and steal people's food like that. That's not cool. If you was that hungry, if you really want the food, all I had to do was just deliver it to me and say, hey, I'm struggling, I'm in need. I would have let you have it. I would have just ordered me something else. I would let you have it if you was that daggone desperate. But this person was a foreigner with an accent. You stole my food. So I immediately got with DoorDash. I heard been sent out a text out. My food was stolen. This person marked it off as delivered. They asked me, was it partial? What? No, there's no partial about it. I never received it. I'm down here in the lobby waiting on for my food. This person sat there and said they delivered my food to me. This was horrible. $25 tip. And Cheesecake Factory is not cheap. That's where I eat from. So what they did, they went on ahead, contacted the restaurant immediately. It was a remake. I got a remake over here. They redid the order. Then once I got the order, the guy was nice, and I asked him, did he get that tip? No. What happened was, no, he didn't get that. It was the first driver who got it, so I had to let them know, give back with them again. I would like to have that money back. They don't deserve that, because that was stolen. Nothing ain't free out here. You just don't go around here and sign up for these apps and then, make a living of going around here stealing people's food. You just don't do that. When I did Grubhub for about 5-6 years, I ain't never in my life stole anybody's food. I went out here, pick up the food order from all these restaurants and deliver. Never, not one time I ever stole somebody's food. That's low grade for all you out here that's doing these delivery jobs. That's low grade. Some of you out here, y'all in it for to make an income, make a living. The most of you out here, y'all in it out here to steal people's food. Their hard-earned money. People order food to not only feed themselves, but their families. It's like a game to y'all out here. I hope you enjoyed that meal. I hope you choked on it. I hope you get a bad, upset stomach. I hope you have diarrhea for days. Because you won't get your karma from that. You really is. The way this world is, a lot of you are so low grade. Y'all like the shit on the bottom of my damn shoes. And that's what you are. You a low life. But I will post your name up there so everybody gonna be watching out for your name. The dasher who goes around and steal food. You got a $25 tip, but I'm getting that money back. First time I experienced some shit like that. Y'all full of shit out here. Y'all really are. I was looking forward for that food at lunchtime. I really was. I didn't get a chance to. Only thing I got a chance to eat was my spinach. I'm gonna take the food home. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy it. But that was low grade though. That was really low grade. You drivers out here actually stealing people's food. Now, when I did Grubhub, there was a case where it was that what's the name of that restaurant? I used to order from this restaurant all the time. They sell chicken wings. Wingstop. Yeah, it was Wingstop. And it was in the Finneytown area. I think that was Finneytown. I went to go pick up an order from Wingstop. And the first driver that went there that got the order, dude took somebody's food. Took somebody's order, chicken wings. So I was a backup person of a remake order. This really do happens out here, and that's a nightmare. And people be like wondering why their food is late. And it's like, and it tells you that you can act. The drivers fail to realize we actually see you when you go and get it. And when you on your way to deliver it, you actually is being seen. You being watched on the app. I can't see how y'all could just live and sleep at night, going around here doing folks like that. I really can't see that. I really can't see. I can't see how you can live with yourself when you out here, you stealing people's food out here. And a lot of these drivers out here, I'm going to tell you this, and watch out for the ones who have kids riding around with them, because chances are you don't know if hands done been in your food. You don't know that. You just don't know. People are nibbling off your shit, everything. I done had a case where I had ordered some food. Somebody actually stole a drink. Stole the drink. And this was at BJ's in Tri-County. That's another restaurant that I go to or I order from. A woman had actually stole my drink with my food order. And these drivers are out here, I mean, they just like really don't care. Sometimes you just can't constantly be ordering from these apps like that all the time, because you don't know who's going to pick up your food. It's not to be trusted. And there's too many of these foreigners out here. Low-grade people out here just getting away with a whole lot of stuff. You just got to be careful with that. But $80-something worth of food, that's how much it came up to be. Plus the tip. Yep, that was a big tip, all right. Because I do tip good. I do tip good. That just showing appreciation. You know, hey, you know, your time, your gas, or whatever. I do tip good. But on that note, though, I would never do that again. It'd probably be a while before I do that. I just wish all these restaurants had their own delivery service. Their own delivery service, and quit using these apps, for real. They need to quit using these apps and try to find a way and just do their own delivery service within their own company. I mean, just their own restaurant. Have some delivery drivers. I mean, have it where you just have your own delivery drivers. And you got people out here, just random people. And people, when they do these app jobs, a lot of you don't even wear the proper shirts showing professionalism or anything out here. You could just be somebody be in your goddamn pajamas on the food. I don't know where your hands been at. Shit. And half of you look raggedy as fuck out here delivering somebody's damn food. You don't look professional. You don't have the look of treat it as like a real job or something, you know. Look professional about your damn self. A lot of you just look just sickly, just raggedy as fuck. I bet that person that stole my food was probably raggedy as hell. But I hope you enjoyed that meal. I really hope you did. Now, like I said, I hope you choke on it. I hope you choke on it. And that $25 tip, don't think you getting that, because it's going right back in my bank account. And I will be checking my bank account this week daily. Make sure it is there. You thought you got off for something. And you wrong, sucker. I feel for a lot of you out here. All you damn DoorDashers out here, you Grubhubbers out here stealing people food and shit. Damn, life is that damn hard. I mean, like I said, if you really needed that food, all you have to just say, hey, you know, hey, I'm hungry, you know. The times is hard. I would have been like, okay, you know, I got a heart like that. I mean, I would have helped out, but you ain't had to steal my food like that. That was a lot of money. A lot of money for times that I worked, the hours that I work and put in. That was a treat. That was a treat to myself. Treat myself. But you took advantage of that shit. And you thought you got off on something like that. I hope you get deactivated. If DoorDash keep you, oh my God. Like I said, I will post your name. I screenshotted it. I'm going to post your name so people can sit up there and watch out for you. I hope you get deactivated. Because if you did that to me, how many other people that you done that to out here? How many? A lot of you out here don't need to be doing these damn jobs like for real. Y'all don't. Out here robbing people. That's what the hell y'all doing. You out here, you robbing people. But I'm going to go ahead and focus on my driving. I'm heading on home. I'm going to enjoy this food from the Cheesecake Factory. I hope you get a bad case of diarrhea, a stomach virus. I hope you throw up. I hope you grow worms in your fucking ass stomach. I hope this shit mutates and make you ill sick. Man, y'all DoorDashers and Grubhubbers out here, y'all suck. Y'all really do suck. Y'all should go to jail for that shit. But hey, that never happened. But one day y'all gonna catch somebody, y'all gonna do that to the wrong ass person. Y'all gonna do that to the wrong person. Y'all are out here eating people food, then still deliver it to them, stealing their food. People showing appreciation when they tip good and everything, but you want to take advantage. Nah. I'm good. I'm cool. Woo. And they are garbage. They are garbage. They are. Restaurants need to have their own delivery service. I mean, they should just have their own delivery drivers. They need to get rid of these app jobs. They really do. And I'm quite sure this is happening every day. And you wonder why people out here don't tip y'all asses out here. Whew. I'm in a mad rush to hurry up and get home and post your shit. Post your name up. You is to be watched out for real. I ain't cool with that shit. Your ass need to be deactivated. Squashed, demolished, poof, gone with the wind. Poof the magic dragon. Peace, I'm out. I'm gonna post your ass.